This is a look at the Arrowhead brass PK2012LK stem assembly. This stem does not come with the key. The part number for the key is PK1300. It comes with the O-ring here, the seal here, and the packing nut. It's got the nylon washer there. And this stem, it'll measure 16 inches overall. It's for a 12-inch wall faucet. And it fits the 420 series Arrowhead brass faucets. And this is the springless check on the end, so there's no spring inside the stem. And once again, this is the Arrowhead brass PK2012LK loose key stem assembly.